Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I show you how I transformed an inexpensive canvas from my local thrift store into beautiful mosaic wall art. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with this 16 by 20 inch canvas that I picked up for $1. I cleaned my canvas and then I gave it 3 coats of this white gloss enamel paint that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I'm using 1.5 sheets of these mirrored towels that I picked up online. I'll leave a link to these towels in the description box below. I placed a 3-inch round mirror in the center of my canvas, and then I added some of the mirror towels along the outside perimeter of that mirror. Here, I'm using a steel ruler that I picked up from the Dollar Tree to help me push my towels into place. These towels are real glass, so the steel ruler helps me to better position my mirrors without risk of cutting my fingers. Next, I followed the same steps with a 1-inch round mirror as well. Once I had the center of my design in place, I then began to add more of my mirrored towels. As you can see, I've cut my mirrored towels into single strips. Instead of drawing a pattern, I've decided to simply freeform the design onto my canvas instead. As you can see, I've decided to also add the towels along the sides of my canvas as well. I added that same design to all 4 corners of my canvas. I added a few of these single towels to the center of my design, and then I began filling in each of the 4 sections. As I added a design to a section, I then added that same design to the other 3 sections. Here's what I had so far. You'll notice that there are a lot of imperfections with the paint now. This is where I lifted the mirrors to reposition them somewhere else, and I'll show you a little later on in the video how I fixed those imperfections. These mirrored towels are self-adhesive, but they also come with some additional glue. But because I'm repurposing a canvas that was already covered in varnish, the mirror towel stuck very well and the additional glue was not needed. Once I was happy with my design, I then used more of that white gloss enamel paint to paint over any imperfections. Days later, I decided to make several changes to my design. You'll notice that I removed most of the straight lines and replaced them with curved lines instead. I also added a few more mirrored towels to my design, and here's the finished look. I'll show you what I did with my second canvas in an upcoming video. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.